got a bit of a problem, don't we, Matt?
Yes, just a little one with this truck here.
Yeah. So this is 6138. He's right there. And we got a seized brake caliper.
Yes.
This is bad.
Nothing's moving.
Nothing's moving. So let's go take a look. We turn it apart. So it should look like this. As people have seen before, it should look like this. So to give you an idea, when it's all together, that's your brake cylinder, and then you have, these are your calipers here and here, and then you have your brake heads on either side, here and here, and then the brake shoes sit in here. And so the brake shoe is attached to the brake head. The brake head is attached to this rod here. It swivels in this with the brake cylinder here and the brake cylinder here. So this pushes out, pushes the cylinder back. This pushes back. This turns and then pushes against the rotor, which is here. Makes sense. Our problem is on that one. Oh, it's not too shaky. We've taken it apart, as you can see. These in here are seized. This one is very, very sticky. This one itself is seized. It is seized solid. We can't even get that. Now, to check this, you got to take the brake cylinder out, which means you got to take these pins out. There's a pin here and a pin here, and you get at those from underneath, and they drop out, or they go up. They come up through the top. This one is not seized. This one works and moves fine. This one is seized solid, which is a problem because now we're gonna have to get some heat in this. But Matt, can you just run the air?
You got it. Let's go.
And we'll show them what's going on.
Applying the brakes.
And you'll see one side moves, the other side doesn't. It's seized solid. Okay, Matt, release.
Releasing.
And again, it won't release because this is sticky. Oh, there it goes. It is releasing. Oh, look at that. So we must have freed it up enough. So it did release, which is good, but it didn't fully release. You can see that didn't go all the way out. This here didn't collapse all the way. So it hasn't fully retracted. You want to do it again?
You got it.
But this is supposed to move like this one. Not anything, nothing. It is so solid. Release. So we're into it. So tomorrow we're going to take this all apart. Probably have to take these two nuts off, which are extremely tight. We've already had a 4-foot bar on there trying to get those undone. I may have to get my impact wrench out and take those apart. This is a big job, and this needs to be done because if this does not happen, we'll run hot brakes on these. I don't want to run hot brakes.
Bad day.
This is a bad day.
Yeah, exactly. Well, we'll come tomorrow and have better luck.
Yeah, I hope so.
Yep.
Alrighty. What do you think, Matt?
I think we're heating it up pretty good.
Well, hopefully we are.
We just have to free it up, right?
Yeah, that's all we gotta do is just free it up. That's all we're doing. We're just heating it so that we can put the hydraulic press on it, and we're gonna go back and forth and try and heat it up, or try and free it up, so that we don't, if we can get away with not taking it totally apart, that would be fantastic.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense. So after we heat it up, we'll put a hydraulic press on it and see if it moves.
That's it.
Awesome.
Yeah. Okay, pump.
All right, well.
Need some pumping. beautiful. It's moving. Let me know when it gets hard. Okay, that's good. Release.
I would say, yeah. Racing.
And pump. Stop. Release.
Racing.
Okay, try it again. Release.
Racing.
And pump.
Pumping.
And release. Alright, I'll just let it go. Alright, so let's see if I can get this. Alright, so pump.
Pumping.
And that's almost full stroke that way. Release.
Releasing.
And we're going to pump.
Pumping.
Okay, stop. Get the hammer here and you hit this with a hammer. Okay, release.
Releasing.
And the oil will capillary down into it and make it a lot. Okay, go ahead and pump.
Pumping.
Make it a lot easier for it to. Release.
Releasing.
And pump.
Pumping.
Oh, it's coming nice. And pump. And release.
Releasing.
And pump. Much better. And release.
Releasing.
And pump.
Pumping.
I think we almost got it there, buddy. Yeah, that's coming nice now. And release.
Releasing.
I can see bubbles and stuff coming around the pin now where I couldn't before. Release or release. Pump.
Pump it up.
Pump it up. Beautiful. And release.
Release.
And pump.
And pumping.
Now I know we should have taken this apart probably, but for the trip to stop and release, for the trip to St. Jacobs, I think this is going to be okay. And it won't seize back up again, but we definitely needs to, oh yeah, like look at this. I can actually move this with my hand now. Look at
nice. Look at that.
that. Look at that, eh?
Oh, that's satisfying.
That's very satisfying considering when we started, this thing here was solid.
Yeah.
Now we should do the other one, because this one's better than this one. I can't even move that one. But let's try and we'll do this one over here.
Yeah.
Now and see if we can't. I'm gonna throw some heat on that one, and
see if we can get that one moving nicely.
yeah, I'll get that one moving nicely too. Yeah, I do. Like, look at this. This is awesome. All right, so we got heat on there. I just finished with the torch. Couldn't do two things at once, and we had Matt holding this brake hose, the line out of the way. We heated this one up, and hopefully we can get that to move. Now, I think we're going to be well aware on, it won't take much to move it, but I don't want to throw oil on that right now because it'll just turn into a big plume of smoke. And actually, that might be fun to look at. So, can you pass me that? Yeah, this, all right, so.
There you go.
Yeah, that's hot. That's very hot. May even flame. Yeah. It may even flame up a bit, but I'm not entirely sure yet. I know it's all boiling off, but if I can just get it down in here. All right. Well, the RDC's on fire. No. Let's can you grab that brake cylinder and move it back and forth, Matt? You grab the brake cylinder itself and pull it back and forth. There you go. That's what I want. Nice and easy?
Yeah. Oh my, yeah, like
Okay, excellent. That's what I
Flying
want.
back and forth.
Now, hang on, we're not done here yet. I need the hammer.
Hammer.
So you keep moving it. All right, that's it.
Beautiful.
We can put it back together now and